Hi guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you're all well. In this video I'm going to show you a very quick method to moisturize thick curly hair like mine. At this stage my hair is really dirty. It's like 2 weeks old. I need to wash it, but it's been in these braids for ages, and yeah, I'm just taking it out and showing you how I quickly moisturize if I'm not ready to wash my hair yet. So you can use any cream of choice, but I'm going to be using shea butter. I do have a recipe for my whipped shea butter. I'll leave it in the description box below. And yeah, you can use a leave-in cream or whatever you prefer. At this point my hair is dry and crusty. I'm basically going to spray some water mixed with aloe vera juice into my hair. Generally I just use water, it works just as well. I've got aloe vera juice in this because I had some leftovers from some lotion I made some time ago and I had to use it before it goes off. So yeah, I mixed that in with my water, but as I said, water works fine. So once I've added my water and aloe vera juice, I'm just going to add my shea butter to my hair and massage it into the hair. As you can see, my hair is really dirty, so my scalp is a bit crusty, but you know, it is what it is. So once I've applied it to my whole head, I am going to part my hair into portions, like not too big, not too small, and moisturize it further. So I'm going to use the same method: spritz some water mixed with aloe vera juice and then add some shea butter, and then I'm going to twist it up. You can braid it instead of twist it if you prefer, but twist is quicker for me, and I'm going to be washing my hair tomorrow anyway, so yeah. Anyway, there's not much else to it. This is pretty much all I'm going to be doing. Just adding water and then adding shea butter, and it really does soften my hair and adds moisture to it. How do you guys moisturize your hair generally? I'd love to know. Let me know in the comment section below. So as you can see, my hair is already starting to look shinier and a lot more moisturized compared to when I first started twisting. And this is just shea butter and water. Makes a massive difference, guys. So I've basically done my whole head, twisted it up. I'm going to put a scarf over it and go to bed, and I'll show you what it looks like in the morning. So it's the next day now, and this is what my hair is looking like. So it's still in twist, and as you can tell, it looks a lot shinier, feels a lot softer. I'm going to unravel the twist and show you what it looks like. Look at that. Looks like I actually took my time in doing it, but it didn't take that long at all to moisturize it. Look at that. So it's super moisturized. So at this point you can go ahead and style it however you want it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.